everyone, this is Starlina and welcome to my channel. Well, I don't know about you guys, but it's so freaking hot here in Barcelona. It's just blech. And there is still people that says that climate change is not real. But anyway, today I want to bring you a little thing because I know you know the pain you experience when your body demands ice cream, but you just don't have it at home, and then you have to go out to buy it, but you just can't because as soon as you put a feet in the street, you just burst into spontaneous combustion. Well, maybe that's just me. Or even worse, maybe it's winter when you're seeing this and they just don't sell ice cream at all. I know! It's outrageous! How dare they! Either way, it's not good. So that's why today, Tita Lina is going to teach you how to make some exquisitely delicious and amazingly easy homemade ice cream. So you can spend these oven-like days a little bit more cool. So without more further ado, let's get started, shall we? Let's begin with this incredible Strachiatella, or cookies and cream, if you will, ice cream, which, oh my god, it's ridiculous how good it is. So to make it, you will need some whipped cream, some condensed milk, and cookies. Yep, that's all. The first step is to crumble the cookies. If you've been here for a while, you know how we process cookies over here. But if you're new, the process is very simple. You just have to take a plastic bag and very carefully put the cookies inside, nice and organized. And once you have it ready, you just let your inner anger flow and smash those cookies. How dare they to be that yummy? No! Crush them, make them pay for it. And yeah, you are welcome now. You can save those $40 for the next therapy session because yeah, everybody should go there. Anywho, see, now the next part is to put the liquid whipped cream in a container, which might not be a pleasant experience. Ew, gross! Also, just so you know, the idea behind whipping cream is to add air into the mixture, so pick your pot wisely, or otherwise you might, well... Yep, that's the thing now. Stay tuned if you want to see what the freak happened here, but anyway, you only fail if you stop trying, right? So back to the whipping, we are going to whip the cream very nice and soft and fluffy. Then I put half of it away for a little thing that you will see very soon. And now it's time to add the condensed milk without spilling it everywhere. Yeah, thank you. And now with soft circular movements, we are going to integrate the condensed milk into the whipped cream. Again, carefully, so the whipped cream doesn't lose its texture. Okay, about the condensed milk, I eyeballed it a little bit. My intention was to put more or less the same amount of condensed milk as liquid whipped cream we have here, and it turned out pretty nicely, so this is just so you can see that it is really that simple. And of course, now it's time to add our victims, the cookies, into the mixture. Okay, let me try this real quick. Oh my god, it's so good! Okay, keep mixing, add more cookies if you don't have enough cookies, but we need to put this in the fridge ASAP because it's so good, I just want to eat it! Yeah, stop mixing, it's great, just put it in a fridge-safe container and put it in the fridge. Oh, by the way, if you want, of course, you can add some vanilla extract. I didn't because it was just so delicious as it was, but of course, you can do whatever you want. And now, because we want to make it look very, very pretty, we can crush an extra cookie, display it very nicely and carefully on top of it, and just wait for it to be ready. Just send it to the ranch, to the fridge. Oh my god, this one is by far my favorite one. But wait, we are not done yet, because now it's time for this amazing strawberry Jam Froyo. For this one, we are going to need some unsweetened Greek yogurt, some strawberry jam, some fresh or frozen strawberries, and to top it all, some honey. Also, did I mention that we do not need an ice cream maker for this? Yep, just your hands and a fridge. Great! The first step is to put the yogurt in a container and then mix it with the strawberry jam, gently. If you wanted it to be extra, you can use strawberry Greek yogurt, but this way it is just damn. Once everything is nice and combined, we are going to take our strawberries and chop them until they are nice and small or not that small, and then add them to the mixture. And once you are done, we are going to add the honey, and this is very important because not only it's going to give that sweetness to the ice cream, but due to its extremely low freezing point, it's going to give the mixture some elasticity, which will allow us to make some nice ice cream balls without crystallizing too much or breaking. And then, after decorating it a little bit, we are going to put it in the fridge so it can chill overnight. Damn, I wish I could join them there. And while our two babies are chilling in the freezer, not the fridge, obviously just don't mind me put them in the freezer, we are going to go with the next awesome creation of the day, which is this super rich and amazing chocolate ice cream. To make it, you're just going to need some whole milk, some chocolate cream or Nutella kind of thingy, some cocoa powder, and of course the whipped cream we saved earlier. So the first step is to melt the chocolate cream. And to do that, we will put the chocolate in a bowl, we will cover it with some milk and pop it in the microwave. Once it's done, we are going to let it chill until it's back to room temperature. This is important to not mess with the whipped cream structure. Then, obviously, we have to mix the two things. But before doing so, first we are going to harmonize the temperatures by adding some whipped cream in the chocolate and mixing it before adding the chocolate to the whipped cream. And again, we are going to mix the two things with rounded movements carefully until we have everything properly combined. Then, if you want the taste of chocolate to be very intense, you can add some chocolate powder, and if you still don't have enough, you can chop some chocolate pieces and add it to it as well, because it's your creation. Add here whatever your heart desires. And now, yeah, you guessed it, time to go to the freezer. And the preparation is done! I bet you want to see how these delicious creations turned out, right? Well, let's check it! I swear, I expected them to be good, but not this good. Oh my god! Honestly, I don't know if I ever want store-bought ice cream anymore. But yeah, I hope you try them because seriously, they are amazing. Also, remember to give this video a like if you liked it and you like. And also, of course, you can join the family. It's small, but we have a lot of fun over here, so you're welcome. Oh, and remember, ice cream is cheaper than therapy. And as always, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!